Hi there, this is Oliver with a video to show you how to load, unload and wind up the Series 7 drum mags. So this is the S mag, the S7, and I'll show you how to load it because there are two different drums. This is the drum for the first strike rounds, but there's another drum with those holes for round balls. So you can use either this drum for first strikes. You have to put in every chamber a round ball, or you take the other drum. If you want to use first strikes, you fill it up like this, turn it a little, another time, another one, until everything is filled up with first strikes. Make sure the winding mechanism is free, because if you move it by hand, it may wind back if you fix it. So if that is achieved, everything is filled up with first strikes, you start winding up. You can see the spring right here. It's not all in, it's wherever it is. So you start winding it up. In the beginning it's very easy to wind it up, then it gets a little harder. You can see here it's going, the rows are going to the middle. It looks different right now. And now it's getting real hard to wind it up. So stop here. Don't wind it up until it blocks, because you might break first strikes or round balls if you force it. Don't force it. You can feel it if it gets way harder than in the beginning. So that's the point where you can start shooting. Sure, you can close the lid if it is filled up. I did it right now. So what can you do if the game is over and you got some ammunition left? You open up the lid, hold it a little bit like this, and open the feed neck and let it go easy so you don't break any first strikes or other ammunition. Don't let it slip all in all, because it's shooting out the ammunition and it may cause damages to the spring. Now it's empty. If you want to use the round ball drum with the S mag, you have to remove this, whatever it is called, holder or something like that, because you can't take the drum out without removing this. Now you can take out the drum and put in the round ball drum. Put back the leading thingy thing. Okay, and now you can fill it up with round balls and do just the same. Wind it up. Close it and start winding. Start with slow winding, so every hole in this drum is filled up with one round ball, so you don't break any one of them. And here you can see the first one is already here. Now you can wind it up just the same I did before, until it gets harder to wind it up, until the spring is in the middle. And just the same, unload it, open it. Those one you can put back into your compartment. And there are now a lot of the more. Same thing, hold the drum. And let him out carefully, not to break anything, any of these round balls. Step by step, they will go out of the drum, out of the mag, and you saved all of your ammunition. This is the 7S mag. It comes with 2 drums, with a round ball drum and the first strike drum.